Hi, my name is Anna Kelly. I'm based out of San Diego, California. I found Motwani LASIK Institute, or Cornea Revolution, doing a Google search. I was one of those people who just does a ton of research before even picking up the phone to call providers, and so I did a lot of digging into the different types of LASIK out there, then the different providers that were local to me, and found Dr. Motwani. I did have 2 other consultations with other local providers before deciding to move forward with him, but am overall so happy that I did. Prior to having LASIK, I had, I would say, somewhat mild to bad vision and astigmatism in both eyes, and all of that was fixed with LASIK, which has just been a game changer and just huge improvement of quality in life. I hated wearing glasses. I would only wear them if I was sick or feeling under the weather, and pretty much lived in my contacts from when I woke up to when I went to bed, and towards the end of the days my eyes would be super dry, or I would be kind of just getting tired of wearing them. They would feel heavy in my eyes, and so the convenience factor has been huge for me. And the thing that just blows my mind every day is just waking up and seeing, which you don't realize how many people take that for granted. But I couldn't see the lines where the ceiling meets the wall in the room that I slept in, and that's been the craziest thing. And I can see like the texture in towels and paintings, and just so many things that I didn't even realize that I was missing, I can now see. I work from home, I work on a computer all day, and so it was incredible to not have downtime in between getting the LASIK procedure and getting back to work. And now my eyes aren't getting tired during the day or feeling strained. It's just truly changed my quality of life in every single aspect. My vision has been perfect. It's 20 out of 15 now, and I've been thankful to now be about 30 days post-op and relatively like dry eye free, etc. So really not having any complications from the surgery, and anytime I did have questions, and there were plenty, I was afraid of, can I go to Disneyland after a week? Can I go snowboarding in a month? I peppered them, Motwani team, with many questions, and so I was, constantly reassured, given just a really high quality level of care and the service overall, and would absolutely recommend proceeding with getting LASIK.